Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas Pool Concierge. Now we talk a lot about all the different options for things you can add to your fiberglass pools. And we talk about how low maintenance they are. But one question we get a lot is about the types of vacuums you can add to fiberglass pools. So today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to answer the question, can I add a vacuum or a pool cleaner to a fiberglass pool? So let's dive in. Okay, so included with your pools from Gary's Pool and Patio, you get what we call the standard cleaning equipment. Included in that cleaning equipment is a manual handheld vacuum. And essentially it's a brush on a very long pole that has a hose that hooks directly up to your skimmer. So you would hook the hose up and then manually vacuum your pool. But a lot of people want to know if there are options for robotic pool cleaners or vacuums for fiberglass pools. And the answer is yes. And if you're installing your pool in an area that, say, has a lot of overhead trees, a robotic pool cleaner can be a really great option to help you keep the pool clean. It'll help you get rid of those leaves, excess debris, and even additional dirt that settles to the bottom of the pool. And searching for a robotic pool cleaner can be a bit overwhelming because there's a lot of them on the market. And when it comes to the robotic cleaners, we often hear them generally referred to as Polaris. Like, can I get a Polaris for my pool? It's kind of like Kleenex. It's a brand name. There's lots of tissues out there, but we kind of are accustomed to using the word Kleenex anytime we use the word tissue. And a lot of people do the same thing when it comes to the robotic pool cleaners and refer to them as Polaris, but that's just one of the many brands. Polaris, Hayward, Aquabot, all different brands for robotic pool cleaners. And depending on the size of your pool and the amount of leaves and debris that you have going into the pool, there are different types of options that you can consider for the robotic pool cleaners. So there are robotic pool cleaners that will again hook directly to your skimmer, and they don't need an additional pump. And these can actually be added at any time. You don't have to add them during the installation process, and you don't have to add any additional equipment for them. You simply purchase the cleaner, and again it hooks up directly to your skimmer, and it's going to use the suction from the skimmer itself to run the vacuum. And then you do have other models that will be more powerful that will run on their own dedicated pump. Now again, these can be added at any time. It's easy to add them at the installation process, but at the same time you can also add them after the pool's been installed if you find that other vacuum options aren't working for you. So you'd want to look at several different things when comparing the different models. Obviously the size of your pool and the amount of debris, but then also things like how heavy is the vacuum, how easy is it to get in and out of the pool? Do you want it to just clean, say, the bottom of the pool, or do you want it to have the ability to climb the walls and even the stairs? Do you want it to come with a remote control? And how easy is it to maintain as far as cleaning its cartridges and things like that? The great news is though, you have lots of options, and it's not a decision you have to make up front when you're choosing all of the other exciting things for your pool. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, like it. I'd love to see your comments. Share it out with anyone else you feel may benefit from it as well. And if you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that little bell icon so you get notified of any new future content. If you have any questions, just reach out. You can always call or text 210-834-7054. I look forward to talking to you soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming.